Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Meta Financial AI token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MEFAI is a crypto infrastructure platform that combines artificial intelligence, trading automation, and real-time analytics to help users make smarter and faster decisions in volatile markets. Designed for both individual traders and professional teams, MEF AI offers a complete ecosystem for discovering market opportunities, generating trading signals, and executing strategies automatically. At the core of the platform is an AI-based single signal engine trained to detect patterns, volume anomalies, liquidation zones, and trend shifts across multiple time frames. These signals are delivered in real time and are fully integrated with MEF AI's auto traded panel, allowing users to execute positions with a single click or set rules for full automation. Meta Financial Token data supply is 620.74 million and circulating supply is also 620.74 million MEF AI token. MEF AI token is listed on PancakeSwap, LBank, XT.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.